Welcome students. Now we are going to start with our next topic, that is the advanced machining methods. And in this video we are definitely going to talk about the first stage or step of this topic, that is we should understand first the limitations or rather the disadvantage of the normal machining methods. So what are these? So I will talk about the limitations of normal machining. So what are the limitations of normal machining? So if we start with say the tolerance, okay, so in normal machining methods we cannot able to have the close tolerancing. Okay, close tolerancing are not possible in the normal machining methods. So the close tolerances not possible. That is the first thing. Now next thing, if I talk about the consistency, or rather I can call it as the repeatability. The consistency or repeatability is absent or not there. That's why we have to go for inspecting 100% of the parts that we have produced. So repeatability means producing the same dimensions again and again, that is the repeatability, and accuracy is the nearness to the targeted value or the aim, isn't it? So here in normal machining we are not having that much repeatability, we are not much having that consistency to produce the same dimension again and again. That's why we need 100% inspection of the produced part. Okay, so that is thing. Third thing, if I talk about the operators needs, okay, so operators are there definitely, and operator needs are there, isn't it? And whenever these needs are coming into the picture, definitely we are losing our production time, isn't it? So there is a loss of production time, and if there is a loss of production time, definitely your production rate would be low, isn't it? So in simplified manner you can say low production rates are there in case of the normal machining methods. Okay, next, if we talk about the complexity of shapes or parts, complexity of shapes of the parts, so we cannot able to produce the complex shapes in the normal machining methods. For example, if I want the parabolic curvature component, if I want the cubical curvature component, so these are very difficult to manufacture by using the normal machining methods. So that is the limitation. Whenever the complexity comes, we are मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम कोशिश कर सकते हैं बनाने की, but not 100%. Every labor or every operator which is there which can able to produce that shape. That is the thing. So here again, because of that again, see, the labor skill plays very important role. Here labor skill is important thing. Okay, then if we talk about these limitations for this normal machining, then definitely there are many operators which are working on every machine. Okay, in normal machining methods, generally we are having 1-to-1 ratio, that is single operator for a single machine, like that. So many operators are there, many laborers are there, and whenever there is or there are the labors on the floor, definitely there are problem related with the labor laws, isn't it? So as there are operators or labors, the problem with the labor laws. So see, these are certain limitations. These are certain limitations of the our normal machining methods. So what are these limitations we have discussed? So first of all, very close tolerances cannot be produced by using these normal machining methods. Again, repeatability is not possible. 100% inspection is there, as there are operator needs are involved, because operator is doing the machining or whatever the operation. So definitely loss of production time, which will reduce your productivity or production rate, isn't it? And of course, complex shape are not able to produce. Up to certain extent we can produce, but it is totally depend upon the skill of the operator. So again, dependency goes on increasing. And the last thing that we have discussed, that as the labors are there, operators are there, so definitely the problem with the labor laws are involved in the normal machining methods. In next video we will talk about the advanced and what are the things which are added into this advanced machining methods. Thank you.